Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So ABCD, black color, brown color, red color, light yellow color, pink color, light blue color, orange color or dark blue color. Let's start. A. A for apple. A for apple. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for carrot. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. D. D for donkey. E. E for elephant. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. F. F for fan. G. G for girl. G. G for goat. H. H for hen. H. H for house. I. I for ice cream. I. I for ink pot. J. J for joker. J. J for jug. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.